Readiness ring, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Readiness combines several signals: how much you trained recently, how consistent your training has been, your sleep quality, and your body's recovery signals. Each signal contributes a portion of the 0-100 score. A circular ring that fills up based on your readiness score, 0 to 100. The number is shown in the center. The readiness engine has two calculation paths. The heuristic path, used when you have fewer than 5 verified race outcomes, computes a weighted sum of 5 components. ACWR balance, weight 0.3, scores highest when ACWR equals 1.05 and drops off with distance from that sweet spot. Fatigue freshness, 0.25, peaks at 2 days of rest and decreases with more or fewer rest days. Training recency, 0.2, decays at 5 points per day since your last threshold session and 3 points per day since your last long run, with a race proximity multiplier of 0.5x if a race was run within 3 days. Physiological, 0.15, uses sleep score and HRV percentile from recent data. Consistency bonus, 0.1, rewards steady week-to-week load. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.